Creating a Magento website involves several steps to set up and customize your online store. Here's a concise guide to creating a Magento website. Choose a hosting provider. Select a reliable web hosting provider that meets Magento system requirements and offers suitable hosting plans for your store's size and traffic. Install Magento. Install Magento on your server using the installation wizard provided by your hosting provider, or by manually uploading the Magento files to your server and running the installation script. Configure store settings. Access the Magento admin panel and configure essential store settings such as store name, currency, language, and shipping options. Customize theme. Choose a Magento theme that suits your store's style and branding. Customize the theme's design, layout, and color scheme to match your brand identity. Add products. Upload your products to the Magento catalog, including product images, descriptions, prices, and attributes. Organize products into categories and subcategories for easy navigation. Set up payment gateways. Integrate payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, or Authorize.net to enable secure online transactions. Configure payment settings and ensure smooth checkout processes for customers. Install extensions. Enhance your store's functionality with Magento extensions and modules. Install extensions for features like SEO optimization, email marketing, social media integration, and more. Test and launch. Thoroughly test your Magento website for functionality, usability, and performance. Once everything is working correctly, launch your store to the public and start promoting your products.